Good morning. Not much going out today. It's like the day of low value cards. 16 orders, and it was only $83, and then a nice $2.57 to start the day. Excuse me, morning coffee. Do y'all have like 400 coffee mugs, and one is your favorite? I have one. I don't even know where the hell it is. That's why I've moved to my third coffee mug. It's Jack Skellington from Disney, and it holds about 4 gallons of coffee. And then this is my second favorite one, and it's dirty because I used it yesterday. So I'm on to my tertiary, my third favorite, because love is love is love. And so I'm down to this one. So I got to find Jack Skellington. And when I go to my in-laws, they have like the dinky coffee mugs, and the one I use, because it's the biggest one they have, it says "classy lady," because I am a classy lady. But yeah, so excuse me while I drink some coffee, and hope you had your coffee, your tea. But yeah, not much doing yesterday, which is I want eBay to be consistent, if you list, you sell. And I listed between Saturday and Sunday, I think I put up 230 brand new cards, nice cards. They were my cherry pick stuff. And I don't think any of them sell. Maybe they were just too high. I don't promote my brand new listings. But I just want it, consistent. Saturday and Sunday were pretty good, $160, $180 days. Yesterday was 85. I'm off to a whopping 257. Again, I was on vacation, and I did $14 because my store was on time away. But I know people conspiracy about throttling, and it's all. I'm sure it's all horse crap. But last couple weeks ago, eBay, I did 118.88. The next day I did 118.74. Whoever was controlling the throttles let me get an extra $12 that day, but then shot me back down to 118. That's just it's just weird. I'm sure, it just worked out that way, but it always seems weird. And I think with selling in one niche, I like to say niche, but my daughter's corrected me and said it's niche. So one niche topic, I think, kind of lets me see some of these inconsistent consistencies. Does that make sense? Where I'll have, like 3 postcards from one town in California sell within 10 minutes of each other. I listed them all at the same time, and they all sold within 10 minutes of each other, like 3 months late after I listed them, and they go to 3 different people. And it's just that's weird. I don't like what don't I like? I can't think of the word. Coincidences. Say that right? I have to pull out my little thing to help me how to pronounce consistency, coincidence. It's the word. It's the morning of C's that I can't pronounce. But anyway, enough of that horse shit. I just thought that was interesting how it's consistently inconsistent. So I've been using. I'll get the packing here. I'm just kind of stalling for time because I don't want to put out a 3-minute video. I've been trying to use ChatGPT a little bit more, so I had it create. I put in a prompt to create a thumbnail for this video. So I'm gonna check on it now, and so it came up with something. Oh, I gotta move my face. Move this. Oh, look at that. I like that. I'm gonna use it. You'll see this eBay consistency and conspiracies. That's like an SEO, like wet dream. That's gonna bring in all the people to my little shitty videos. eBay consistency and conspiracy. Man, that's kind of like little Popeye did too. Look at that. Oh, look the Illuminati. Oh, fuck, I'm using it. Anyway, let's get packing. You don't need that crap. Okay. A lot of airplane cards This morning I already pulled them because then I have to walk around the whole place back there. So, airplane card. I gotta sleeve these as we go. Oops. Okay, so this guy's been buying cards for me since I listed the airplane card, just an airplane card. I'm trying to do this. I mean, I don't think you guys are gonna go, dox my my customer. You have to find the information first. F42. This is probably a non-PC card. It didn't get pulled. But we'll see what it is. Oh. I forgot my finger goo. Keep on licking my finger. There's some nice cards in this batch. Some nice postal card advertising from 1874. Postal card. Look at that. It's like an early one. I don't know how much I have that for. Oh no, it's an advertising card. Nice elephant. Did I put elephant? I did not put elephant. A Chinese honeymoon. It's a play by George Dance and Howard Talbert. It's an Oriental music and comedy. Excuse me. You didn't need to hear that either. I'm not going to edit it out for your listening pleasure. What did it sell for? 10 something. That's going to be when I am actively writing down topics for members' videos, and I did see some people joined yesterday, and I didn't check if that was a rejoin or new subscribers or members, but anyway, I thank you for however that was. These are all the same. Like I have like 100 that Pittsburgh that's not Three Rivers, that's the Igloo where the Penguins used to play. That's torn down parking lot, going to be a music venue, but I have like 150 of them, and I used to think, where is it? Is it even in this box? It's not even in this box. No, this is all like Pennsylvania stuff. I think I did a video when I bought out the dealer in Pennsylvania a couple years ago. I was in there looking. It was 25 cents a card, and then or like it was $100 a box, and I sat there for 2 hours, and I'm like, what am I doing? Because I had a stack. I had a nice stack. I was like, what am I doing? And I just asked the antique mall lady, I was like, would he sell this all? Could you let me know what he would sell it for? And I bought the whole tape. I don't know, it was like about 40 boxes or something like that. So, yeah, that was a nice little purchase. Let me see, AJ2. I didn't do a good job. These are all, again, multiple quantities of the same card. I did not do a good job of labeling. I'm just using index cards, but with nothing written on them. That was easy enough. Aruba, Jamaica. Let's break out into song this morning. It's too early for that too. I did walk. I walked my fat ass to the. Usually when people do that, they're lying. But no, I actually walked my butt to the post office yesterday. It's only a 1.5 mile round trip. Advertising Victorian trade card here. I need more finger goo. This is what finger goo gets to. There's like little nubbins, little chunks of finger goo left. Meridian. That looks like the same card, doesn't it? Yeah. Make sure, because oh wait. Shocker. Yeah, that's it. That's the one right after it. Oh yeah, this one. Oh wait, is it the right? That's not rose. I'll have to blow. Might have to blow that one up because there's one looks like chrysanthemum. Same thing, but I think that one's right. And you know what? Why take the chance? Because I've done that before. I've worked off the thumbnail, and it ends up being 95. It ends up being the samey. It ends up being a slightly different card, but on the thumbnail it looks almost identical. Yeah, I've done that. I don't know if I'll do this every morning. You know, if I have a crappy night and I have 5 cards, I probably not gonna go live. And I may never go live because I think I would get caught up with the with the chat, and just simple order packing is going to turn into a 3-hour chat and chew morning coffee type of thing. And I got stuff to do. Already at 11 minutes of BS. Let me see. I do like that thumbnail. AG18. Heliwopter. And I think I mentioned yesterday I stopped sleeving all the cards as I put them in the box. Yeah, there's a Heliwopter. But I tell you that when they're sleeved, they're much easier to flip through. Okay, and then dude came in and bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. I'll ship those all in one sleeve, one envelope. I'll probably do 3 ounces, although I think it could ship for 2. And a choo-choo train. So yeah, that's it really for packing. Or, you know, I gotta pack it, but you don't need to see that. Move it's my big blue ball for my microphone. So let me see here what I want to do. Okay, I don't want to show people's addresses as I go through. Where's that last card? Oh, there we go. How did I do that? For some reason they should always be upside down, or I work from the bottom up because when I verify, that's how the bulk labels print. You know, the newest, or you know what I'm trying to say, the newest sold, and then the oldest sold. So I just, again, make sure, go through and adjust. Like this one, there's 5 cards and it wants to ship medium mail. No, so you got to adjust the weight to 3 ounces. Again, I think it shipped 2, but I always put that you know, my card in. That adds some weight. So there's that one. That one's 74 cents. That's good to go. 74 cents. I remember when it was, 45 cents for eBay standard envelope. It doesn't seem that long ago. So just making this. And I'm sure you're probably looking at my ChatGPT stuff there. And I've been using a decent amount to try to figure some stuff out. And because Google's you can't Google anything anymore. So I've been asking ChatGPT for it. But I'm sure you see MRI interpretation. People who don't follow me on, I'm not looking for sympathy. I'm just talking to fill time. I renovating my daughter's bathroom, and I was pulling the toilet. It was actually, I already had the toilet out. I didn't bother taking the tank off and the back tank, and I had it out of the room, and I was putting it into a spare bedroom, and I already lifted it and moved it 15 feet and set it down on some cardboard, and I went to slide the cardboard and everything, and I felt and heard a pop. Immediate pain in the groin. I'm on eBay. There we go. Save your labels. Download your labels. Just in case you need them in a future date. And felt and heard a pop. Immediate pain. And Took 3 weeks to get a frickin' MRI, and completely tore the adductor longus muscle or tendon, whatever it is. Completely ripped it off the pelvic bone. I don't do things half-assed. And, yeah, so I'm in physical terror right now. PT, I hate it. Freaking hate PT, but anyway, I know you gotta do it. Okay, well, I'm gonna pack these up and let this video upload. I hope you have a good day of sales. And you know what? List the little shit. You know, these are, I think the most expensive card in here was like 10 or 15 bucks. A lot of these were $3 cards. Because I have 100,000 of them. List them once, you forget them. Don't be afraid of that. You know, only making $2 a card. Just keep them listed. So, and if you reach your 60,000 limit, start a new store. 69, an extra 69 or whatever it is, 59 bucks a month, start a second store. That's what I hope to do here soon, because I'm up to 40, almost 42, over 4,200 listings, 42,000 listings. I got like, I was down to 32,000, so I did like 10,000 listings in 3 or 4 months, something like that. So anyway, we might see you tomorrow, we might not. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day, and we'll see you later.